Have you tried several times to start your Roborock S7 robot vacuum, but it won't work? Is this problem confusing you? What's the best solution? No worries. See how we've successfully resolved customer problems. A customer reports to us that their Roborock S7 robot vacuum says it's fully charged. But when pressed into vacuum up mode functions, it instantly disables and reports its battery is at 0. Then, we tried several times to start the robot vacuum and it wouldn't start at all. We investigated further and found a faulty PCB and faulty fan. So we recommended PCB repair and fan replacement. Oh, wait! Look what we found! OMG! It really throws itself into the role of dirt magnet. Even going so far to become the dirt itself. To revive the robot's glory, we recommend deep cleaning service. When our customers agree to the solution, we dove into action. Before returning to the customer, we do a unit test to make sure there are no problems. Voila! It's as good as new. Flawless, powerful, and back to maximum performance. Don't wait any longer. Let us be your solution.